So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to add buttons in Power BI. So buttons are very useful to add functionality to our report. So let's see how we can add them. So let's go to Insert, click on Buttons. So as you guys can see, there are 7 to 8 buttons available in Power BI. Select any one. For example, I'm selecting right arrow. So as soon as you click on the button, it got added in our report. So let's see how we can use them. So as you guys can see, I have two reports over here. Page 1 saying report 1 and page 2 is saying report 2. So let's say currently we are in page 1 and on click of this button, I want to move to page 2. So let's see how we can do this. So first click on this button. On the right hand side, all the properties are available for this button. Search for action. So action is over here. I will turn on this action first. Uh, Now I will select page navigation type because I want to switch between pages and the destination is page 2. Now everything is set. Let's see how it works. So we need to click Control plus click in order to click this button. So I will click Control plus click. So as you guys can see, I have successfully moved to page 2, which is basically report 2. So in this way we can add buttons in our Power BI report and we can use them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.